What's up? This coffee is delicious. I'm very addicted. I used my new cinnamon bun Monin syrup, and it's delicious, and it tastes like fall, kind of. Yes, it's very good. I highly recommend Monin syrups if you have not tried them in your coffee. But anyways, I have decided to do a talking video, which I don't think I've done since like video number 1, for 2 reasons. One being, I wanted to thank every single person that has subscribed to my channel. I was gonna do this as like a 100 subscriber thank you, but I'm up to 140 now, so this is my 140 subscribers thank you video. And the other reason I want to do a sit down video is because we had company this weekend and I didn't have time to like do any canning or cooking really, because I was also dog sitting for a friend and we were just really busy. But I want to show you this cool painting that our guest had done for us. Hopefully Calvin doesn't like destroy it. I think you can see it. Calvin, stop, buddy. This was hand painted. I'll try to throw up the original picture that this was painted from, but it's super cool and I can't wait to hang this in our house. Yeah, anyway, that's that. If you guys live in Greenwood, Indiana, or near there, there's a lady in the mall that does paintings, portraits, I guess. So, you know, if you live in that area, in the Greenwood Mall, you could hit her up. But chances are that is slim, that anyone lives there. Anyway, I will try to make this video. I keep reaching because Calvin keeps trying to sniff this portrait, and I don't want him to ruin it. I could set it up on a couch, but I think he'll jump on it, so I'm just setting it next to me. Anyways, I'm gonna try to make this video pretty short. I'm not one to chat. I'm like mega introverted, so this is a lot for me. It helps to have coffee. But I really just wanted to say thank you to every person that has liked, commented, subscribed, all of the things to my channel. When I started this 2 months ago, I did not think that I would even hit 100 subscribers, and if I did, I thought it would take forever, but it didn't. And I think that it's really cool that, like, you all see little snippets into our life, and I've made new friends doing this, like Naomi, Elaine. Hey guys, what's up? You guys are always liking, commenting on my videos, and it really means a lot. And to anybody else that likes and comments, thank you. And I just kind of wanted to say that I've been thinking about doing this channel for like, I don't know, 5 years, a really long time, and I never did. And I never did, and I never did. And then I kind of woke up one day and I was like, I'm gonna do it. I feel like I want to do it. I want to show people what we do in the kitchen and what we do with our garden and recipes that we have for different things from the garden or things that we can. And I just decided to do it. And if you guys are on the fence about doing YouTube, about doing anything in life, just take a chance and go for it, because it's really cool. I would have never met any of you that comment and subscribe to my videos and my channel. I would have never met you had I not woken up one day and just decided that I want to do this. If my mom and dad are watching, hey guys, you can subscribe to my channel. It's free, just so you know, Mom and Dad. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm going to insert a couple clips of Calvin playing with his friend Nova. She is the dog that I had to dog sit for the last 8 days, and Calvin got to play with her every single day, which is a dream for him because he loves her. Calvin would give Nova the world if he could, and so I will insert a couple clips that I took of them playing. If you would like to see some dog content, there you go. I think my next video will be, I think I'm going to make some sourdough dog treats for my next video. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And then I think next weekend, we are going to have some other dogs in our house. We are dog sitting for my sister-in-law. So you'll see 2 other little pups in our house named Mumford and Molly. I'm sure I will show them. But I think I'm going to, Jonathan always helps. I think we are going to can some like baked beans in the pressure canner. I've never canned beans before, so it'll be interesting. Just gonna follow the ball Blue Book's recipe on it, and we'll see how it goes. If anybody has any advice, I'm here for it. Anything not to do, I'm here for you to tell me that. Yeah, so I think those will be my next 2 videos. Dog treats and canning beans. And then we'll just go from there. If you guys like these sit-down videos, I can do them every once in a while. The next goal we have is 500 subscribers, which we're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah. So, I think with that being said, cheers to a coffee. Cheers to a coffee. Yeah, cheers to this coffee. It is delicious. Yeah, like I said, if you guys like these sit-down videos, I can do them every once in a while. I've also been thinking about doing live streams. We'll have to see about that, but I am thinking about doing that if you're interested in it. Maybe we could do like a cook together. We could just do some chatting videos. That would be cool. Just let me know in the comments. If, anybody's watching this, just let me know. Anyway, I think I've rambled on now for probably way longer than I should. So, I'll insert some dog clips if you're interested in that. If not, I will see you guys in my next video. Cheers!